Hello, everyone. If you're deciding between Smartlead and Apollo for your cold outreach and sales engagement needs, you're in the right place. Both platforms offer powerful features, but they cater to different user preferences and requirements. In this video, we'll compare them side by side, starting with what users love most, the pros, before diving into the limitations, features, pricing, and determining which tool suits your business best. So, let's get started. So, what users love about Smartlead is that it offers unlimited email accounts. So, Smartlead allows users to connect unlimited email accounts, facilitating large scale outreach without additional costs. It also has advanced deliverability features like auto rotating email accounts and AI driven warm up ensure high deliverability and maintain sender reputation. And next is that it has multi channel outreach. So it supports outreach via multiple channels, including SMS, Twitter, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp, providing a comprehensive engagement strategy. And next is that it has a user friendly interface. So Smartlead's dashboard is designed for ease of use, enabling users to launch and manage campaigns efficiently. The next is for Apollo. So, what users love about Apollo is their extensive B2B lead database. So, it provides access to a vast database of over 275 million contacts and 60 million companies, aiding in identifying and connecting with potential leads. And next is their robust automation and integration. So, it offers powerful automation features and integrates smoothly with various CRM systems, enhancing workflow efficiency. And next is their user friendly interface. So Apollo boasts an intuitive and easy to navigate platform, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. Next is their flexible pricing plans. So Apollo offers a range of pricing plans, including a free plan, making it accessible to businesses of various sizes. But like any other software out there, neither of these tools is perfect. So now let's talk about a few things users don't love, the drawbacks. So, what users typically complain about Smartlead is the lack of B2B lead database. So, unlike Apollo, Smartlead doesn't offer an integrated lead database, so users will need to upload their own lead lists. And next is the basic CRM functionality. So, while it offers CRM features, they are not as robust or feature rich as those found in standalone CRM systems. And next is their customer support. So, some users report that the support team takes a long time to respond to their queries. Now, what users typically complain about Apollo is their export restrictions. So, users may face limitations on exporting data, which can hinder flexibility in managing contacts. And next is their additional costs for phone numbers. So, accessing personal phone numbers may incur extra costs, increasing the overall expense. And next is their data accuracy concerns. So, some users have reported issues with data accuracy, leading to potential inefficiencies in outreach efforts. Now I'll show you the reviews on both of these tools on different platforms. So here are the reviews for Apollo, and here is for Smartlead. So to make the decision even clearer, let's break down a side-by-side comparison of their key features. So as you can see right here, Smartlead has unlimited email accounts while Apollo only has a maximum of 15 mailboxes per user. Next is their email warm-up. So Smartlead has AI-driven warm-up and Apollo has a built-in warm-up tool. And for the multi-channel outreach, Smartlead offers email, SMS, Twitter, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp, and Apollo offers email, LinkedIn, and cold calling. And for their integrated lead database, so Apollo has 275 million plus contacts and 60 million plus companies, while Smartly doesn't have it. And for the deliverability features, so you have auto rotating accounts and spam handling on Smartlead, while for Apollo you have basic deliverability tools. And for the customer support, so there are reports of delayed responses for Smartlead, and for Apollo it has a generally prompt customer support. So the features are great, but price always matters. So here's how Smartlead and Apollo compare when it comes to cost. So here are the pricing for Smart Lead. So we have two options right here, which is the monthly and yearly option. So I could save 17% off with the yearly option. For the monthly option, it is $39 per month for the basic plan, $94 per month for the pro plan, and $174 a month onwards for the custom plan right here. And for the yearly plan, you can save 17% off, which will be $32.5 per the basic plan and $78.3 for the pro plan. So now let's check what the plan offers. So for the basic plan, you can get 2,000 active leads, 6,000 emails per month, unlimited email warm-up, unlimited email accounts, dynamic IP addresses, centralized master inbox, dynamic sequences, detailed analytics, general support within 24 hours, and API access. Now for their pro plan, which is the recommended one, so you'll get 30,000 active leads, 150,000 emails per month, unlimited email warm-up, unlimited email accounts, dynamic IP addresses, centralized master inbox, dynamic sequences, ChatGPT-4, email guide assistance, detailed analytics, active support, global blocklist, webhooks and integrations, API access, and unlimited seats. So there's also an add-ons right here. So one client at $29 a client per month, which is billed monthly. And for the custom plan, so you can get up to 12 million active lead credits, dynamic sequences, and up to 60 million email credits per month, unlimited email warm up, email guide assistance, unlimited email accounts, and all of the other features included on the Pro and Basic plan. You could also start a free trial if you want to test it out yourself. And when you scroll down right here at the bottom, you will see the advanced features right here, which is a smart delivery. So, smart delivery is an accurate email placement data to improve your deliverability and consistently land in your lead's primary folder, closing more deals. So, as you can see right here, for the growth, pro, and expert plan. So, for the growth plan, it's $49 a month. It includes 120 campaign sequence tests and up to 50 sender accounts per test. And for the Pro plan, it includes unlimited campaign sequence tests, up to 200 sender accounts per test, placement optimized copy, campaign copy warm up, full API access, and full white label access. And for the Expert plan, which is $599 a month, so it's unlimited campaign sequence tests, up to 500 sender accounts per test, placement optimized copy, campaign copy warm up, full API access, and full white label access. And here is the smart senders. So here are the plans right here. You could check it out. And the smart servers, so take control of your email deliverability with enterprise grade infrastructure with dedicated servers. So it's $39 a month per server per month. So you can get dedicated IP for optimal performance, enhanced email deliverability, fully customizable settings, and 24/7 priority support. And the email verification right here, you can see to improve your deliverability with advanced email verification. So next is for the Polo's pricing. So you have two options right here, which is annual billing and monthly billing. So you can save up to 20% for the annual billing. And if you go to monthly billing, so for the basic plan, you will need to pay $59. And for the professional one, you will need to pay $99. And for the organization plan, you will need to pay $149. And if you go to annual billing, it will be down to $49, $79, and $119 for the last plan. So for the basic plan, or the free plan rather, so you can get 1,200 credits per user a year and two sequences, prospecting, Gmail, and Salesforce extension, and basic filters. For the basic plan, you can get 60,000 credits per year, and you can get two sequences, prospecting, Gmail, and Salesforce extension, advanced filters, CRM integrations, scheduled meetings, and 6 intent topics and intent filters, enrichment for data and CRM. Now for the professional plan, which is the most popular plan, is 120,000 credits per user year. And you could also get unlimited sequences, prospecting, Gmail, and Salesforce extension, advanced filters, CRM integrations, unlimited round robin meetings, 6 intent topics and intent filters, enrichment for data and CRM, US dialer, 5 mailboxes per user, automated workflows, AI research intelligence, call recordings and AI insights, and pre-built advanced reports and dashboards. Now for the last plan, which is the organization plan, so you can get 180,000 credits per user a year, And unlimited sequences, prospecting, Gmail and Salesforce extension, advanced filters, CRM integrations, unlimited round robin meetings, 12 intent topics and intent filters, enrichment per data and CRM, US dialer and international dialer, 15 mailboxes per user, automated workflows, AI research intelligence, call recordings and AI insights, pre built advanced reports and dashboards, customizable reports and dashboards, advanced security configurations, and single sign on or SSO. And if you scroll down right here at the bottom, you will see the comparison or the table comparison of their plans. So for the free plan, as you can see, there will be checks on what that particular plan offers. It also shows what or how many that particular feature offer on every plan. So as you can see right here, for the AI email composer, is 5,000 a month, while for the basic plan you can get 250,000 a month, something like that. So this is the execution table, and when you scroll down, you can go to the data one, and for the analytics and reporting, CRM integrations, operations and integrations support. So this chart or this comparison graph or table rather is very helpful, so you could better visualize what are the features for every plan and you could compare it better. And that's basically it for Apollo. So we've compared features, weighed the pros and cons, and look at the pricing. So now let's bring it all together. So if you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a small team seeking a user-friendly platform with multi-channel outreach capabilities and advanced deliverability features, Smartlead is a compelling choice. Conversely, if you're part of a larger sales organization requiring an extensive B2B lead database, robust automation, and seamless CRM integration, Apollo IO provides a comprehensive solution. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to what works best for you, your goals, and what you're comfortable using. Both platforms have their strengths. It's just a matter of choosing the right tool for the way you sell. And that's basically it for this video. So let me know in the comments which one you're using or planning to try. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find this video helpful.